2011 Ford Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM/CD, MP3 radio, center armrest, power windows, electronic stability control, CD player, fog lights, remote keyless entry, tachometer, panic alarm, SIRIUS satellite radio, cloth seat trim, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror, 4-piece floor mat set, low tire pressure warning. Come take a test drive today.